specialized 7075 T6 aluminum is moved by AGVs for ultrasonic inspection, ensuring
we are within tolerance. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Perfect. Check the data on the quick disconnect interface here. The overlay shows a perfect match.
Yes, the verification is complete.
these titanium alloy fasteners are undergoing precise tensile and shear load cycles, verifying they meet the extreme
Based on the inspection data, the AI sorting system rapidly classifies the grade aerospace grade 7070.
Gauge confirms the surface is within spec.
Copy that. Ready for the next phase.
This thin, bright green coating provides a critical barrier against galvanic corrosion, ensuring the longevity of
the water jet, pressurized to 60,000 psi, precisely cuts the aluminum sheets into standardized blanks for the fuel tank pylon components.
A massive 5-axis CNC machine mills the primary structural components from 7075 T6 aluminum.
The 3D map confirms flawless integration of the internal ribs.
No voids in the structural bonding detected. It's ready for the A-10C.
process a complete external fuel tank pylon manufactured and stored.
The anodized small support brackets are transferred to a micro-assembly station where they are integrated with high-tolerance bushings.
With the torque sequence complete, the laser tracker verifies the alignment, ensuring the critical zero leak requirement is met.
Alignment nominal.
Integration complete. Proceeding to bolt sequence.
Power on self-test complete. All systems nominal.
Final integration data logging is underway. The comprehensive data provide a full traceability, certifying the structure for flight operations. Process B is complete. All systems green.
Roger that, Supervisor. The area is clear for the lift.
All green on the starboard side.
Copy. Continuing the slow track towards the bay.
Pressure check complete, all green on the sensor.
Confirmed, Supervisor. We'll lock it down.
Begin retraction of the forward jig. All teams confirm green status.
Tow bar secured, Supervisor. We are ready.
Clear on the left wingtip.
Roger that. Clear on the right. Keep it steady, crew.
Ground, we are clear of the hangar, proceeding to the compass rose.
Left wing clear, tow engage steady.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance. Now lock it in. Connect the fuel lines, ensure that seal is leak-free.
External tanks, 4,200 pounds. Jettison armed.
Check complete.
Viper 1-1, taxi via Charlie. Roger, hold short runway.
The A-10C Thunderbolt II utilizes the newly integrated external fuel tank system.
The A-10C Thunderbolt reported air-dissimulated air refueling approach.
The fuel transfer and system monitoring were flawless. Validation of the integrated plumbing is confirmed.
Roger that. No leaks or stress detected on the pylon interface.
Clear separation confirmed. Proceed with the automated alignment sequence.
Scan on station 4 looks good.
Confirming green status on the diagnostic overlay. Good to proceed.
The A-10C Thunderbolt II. Integrated fuel tank stroller and forwards of immense tread this high GG turn.
The pylon structure efficiently transfers the weight and aerodynamic loads into the A-10C wing, confirming its versatile.
The successful integration of the pylon allows for extended range and payload capacity, delivering enhanced capability to the end user.